So here's your first exercise. I would ask you to map the Tesla company. How would it look like? So this is the value map of a normal car, but how would a Tesla car or a Tesla product look like? So for example, if we have a Tesla, the first thing that has changed is that we have no engine here, right? So we have no engine, but we have a thing called the battery pack. And we know that Tesla makes its own battery packs. They have a lot of IP protecting the battery packs, and that this is a fairly new thing. Nobody makes battery packs water cooled and as safe as Tesla has managed to do. So the battery pack today is a custom built thing. It's not a commodity yet. No other companies have the Tesla battery pack available to them, right? We know that Elon Musk wants to move this here, commoditizing this with the gigafactories, and probably maybe they will sell battery packs to other companies. But at the moment, we are here in 2020. Another big difference is that the typical distribution network is not anymore in Tesla, right? So Tesla owns its own shops, right? And the Tesla shop experience is very different from the typical distribution network of a normal car company. So that's a big difference. And we know that the Tesla shop looks like an Apple shop. So it's while the other car companies rely on local distributors and entrepreneurs to distribute the cars, Tesla has a vertically integrated system. And because of that, we could say, well, the Tesla shop is not here. However, if you consider that they just copied Apple when maybe you can put it here like it's a commodity. It depends on you. There's no right or wrong in these maps, but the point is that you can have a very good discussion, and by visualizing this, the team can have ideas to innovate the value chain. Another big difference with Tesla, so we saw that, is that they're very strong in the software, and the software is not like the normal car companies. It's so normal car companies outsource the software to other companies, like Toyota outsources to Denso, Nissan outsources to Denso. And this software is very different from the others because it enables self-driving, right? So self-driving would be a very specific and new feature. So it could be placed here, for example, and it's very visible to the users. It's here. So that's a very interesting thing. Or you can say, well, no, self-driving is going to be or is already a commodity because Tesla has commoditized self-driving because it's in every Tesla car and they will probably license this to everybody soon. If that's your point of view, then you would place self-driving here as a commodity, though the software is totally unique and proprietary and nobody has the ability to replicate the quality of the self-driving. Another interesting idea is the new things that Tesla has incorporated in the value chain. And to me, the big dashboard is one of them, and internet on in the car is another big thing that the other makers do not have. And it's interesting to know that internet is a commodity. They just put a SIM card in the car and that's it, free Wi-Fi in the car. And that the big dashboard, well, when Tesla started, the big dashboard, it was not a normal thing in cars. So they just took advantage of the standards of the PC industry, LCD industry from Taiwan. So they took that commodity from the PC and they bring it into the car. So that was a first, but the dashboard is a commodity. And it's a huge innovation, but with a commodity, which is amazing. So these are two big differences I see as well with the normal companies. So this is an example of Tesla. And as you can see, there's a lot of opportunities. And once you visualize this, it's so much easier to have clarity on where are the innovations, right? And the last thing is what Simon Worley calls attack points. And these, as you know, every technology, every component in your value chain is subjected to the commoditization trend. And this means that battery packs are special today. There's a lot of know-how, but when the patents expire and as people learn how to do battery packs, they will not be here anymore. They will be here, and this is good because they become cheaper. There are ways, it may be in the interest of a company to accelerate this process or to stop it. You can stop this process with patents, for example, or you can accelerate it by licensing or opening factories in China or opening your patent portfolio like Tesla has done. So clearly Tesla is interested in moving this towards the right side for their own strategic reasons, right? So that's very interesting. And here comes the next exercise for you. Second and last exercise, can you map Spotify in the year 2011 when they were starting in a Worldly Map? And can you tell me from the map if, imagine I'm the manager of Spotify, if I should outsource the cloud servers to some third party like Google or Amazon, or keep it in-house? So you have 5 minutes to do this. I'm gonna